Hi everyone, it's Paul Lange from Discipline Trading Strategies back with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending February 8th of 2026 and the stock was TXN and this happened on Wednesday the 4th of February. This is based on a 60-minute and daily major resistance area with an entry on a 1-minute DTS sell setup be the tail. Management was advanced and rewards risks 2.2 to 1. Before we get to this exciting trade, let me remind you what is available for free members of DTS this week. It's a very busy week. 3 things going on. Monday is the biweekly scanning night. Many of you have probably been there before. Come join us. Wednesday will be the DTS free educational event. This one is called 3 Most Common Mistakes I See Traders Make, Novice to Professional. I talked to a lot of people, both seminar students and people who are just trying to learn. And we typically tend to do the same things because we all have the same basic emotions and reactions to things when we're learning to trade. And finally, Friday is the Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis course. This is the actual first course of the DTR seminar program. However, I invite everyone to attend this. It's at least 4 hours long. Sometimes I run a little bit over. It's information. You will enjoy it. If you've never been there, be sure to be there. If you've been there once or twice, see it one more time. And if you're seeing this and you're not a free member of DTS, just go to the DTS homepage, disciplinetradingstrategies.com, and you'll see somewhere you can figure out how to be a free member. If you can't figure that out, you're probably not going to succeed at trading anyhow. Let's get on with the trade. This was the daily chart of TXN. This is what it looked like before the day of the trade. This daily chart had actually run into another area on the weekly chart not being shown here, so that's why it's a little bit special. And then we're going to open right there, and we're going to run up, and I'm simply going to be shorting that run up there in the morning. That's all that's going to be happening. Staying with my concept of boring trading and trading the range, not trying to trade those unusual once-in-a-lifetime breakouts that happen. Hourly chart shows a little bit better what I was actually looking at. This is the main chart of focus here. We're going to open right down there, pretty flat, and then we run up in the morning during that opening minutes, test that prior high, and then collapse for the rest of the day pretty much. Here you can see the 15-minute chart gives you a little better picture. Open, run up into there. I'm shorting right there under 226 with a stop over 229.50. That was a little bit of a late entry. I'll explain why in the next slide. And then coming down here, I'm going to add to this trade. Haven't taken any profit yet. Going to add to it under 222.65 with a stop over 225.01. As we fall to the prior low, take some off the table there, take half, and then trailed the rest on the way back up. It turned out to be a good trail because that was the low of the day that you're looking at right there. 5-minute chart gives you a little more detail. Open. Entered there. Now that's pretty late. I'm not terribly proud of that, but I remember it just kind of fell hard. I didn't get the type of entry I wanted to get. Felt it was still going to be a good entry, so I went with it there. And then I knew also I might have a chance to add, which I did right there, which makes target 1 a very nice target, target 2 even a better target, end of the trade. Simple, concise trade on the hot list, talked about in the morning, simple. If you like trades like this that are well organized, planned out, and that we talk about before the market opens, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Head over to the DTS homepage. You'll see a subscriptions page, and you'll figure out from there how you can become a member of the DTS Trading Room. If you like videos like this, check out the DTS Free Stuff page, where there's prior Trade of the Week videos and prior recordings of past educational videos. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.